In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add and customize a slider gallery to your Wix website. This feature can really bring your web pages to life by showcasing key images interactively. So let's dive right in and make your site even more engaging. First, go ahead and open up the Wix website in your preferred web browser. Sign in if you haven't already and navigate to your website. Once you're on the editing page of your site, look over to the left sidebar and locate the option that says Add Elements. This is where you can access a wide range of features to enhance your site. Click on Add Elements and you'll be presented with a list of various elements that you can integrate into your site. Scroll down until you see Gallery. This option allows you to choose from different styles of image displays, which can really elevate the visual appeal of your content. Once you've clicked on Gallery, you'll find an option called Slider Galleries. This is the feature we'll be working with today. Browse through the different styles of slider galleries available. Each one has its own unique layout and design, so take your time to consider which one aligns best with the aesthetic and functionality you're aiming for. After selecting the slider gallery that catches your eye, click on it to add it to your website. Congratulations, you're now halfway there. But the fun part is just beginning because you get to customize this gallery to suit your specific needs. To personalize the slider gallery, click on Change Image. A window will open that allows you to edit the images currently present in the gallery. You have the option to change existing images, or if you prefer, you can add new images entirely. Feel free to delete any images that may not fit with your current vision. Adding and curating images that speak to your audience is crucial for effective communication through visuals. Once you're happy with the images and the order they're in, it's time to fine-tune the settings. Click on Settings, and you'll be met with a range of options that allow you to refine the functionality of your slider gallery. Here, you can enable navigation arrows, a play button for automated slideshows, and even more customization options that are definitely worth exploring. Don't hesitate to play around with these settings until you achieve the desired look and feel. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a slider gallery to your Wix website. Take a moment to marvel at your handiwork and preview your site to see how the slider enhances the user experience. Feel free to make any additional tweaks as you see fit. Thanks for watching and happy website building.